Hello, my name is Micky and welcome to Coding with Micky. Today we're gonna make like a weather Python small like software. So let's get started. Alright, so here's my Atom software and I made a file called weather. And let me just make sure I'm sharing the right screen. Okay. So first I'm going to just leave some comments. So we can call the title and it's going to be called weather. Um, Archer will be my name. And then the version was 1.0 because that's the first version. And let's put the date so we know when it was created. Okay, this is just a little bit notes that I kept. So let's get started. First we go import webs. And from pp plant. So we can from pp plant import pp plant. Okay. Let me just leave a note. Function will get the data. So we could make a function. So which one we could call where the data. And we could add query because we want to get the query. And then call let's equals request. And then I wrote it in my notes. I'm just going to copy it because it's a very long one, and then I will explain it. So it be in a bracket. So here we go. Oh, here I'm just typing the notes. So you will open the link. Let's then add the query. And then finish the link. So we could get the link here. Then this is could be the query we could add, and then we'll finish the link. Then we'll just type in return let's, and we'll send Json format for now. Just put some space. Then we make a new function which will be print weather. So we're saying, okay, the first one will be the query data for the weather. The next one will be print weather. And we could also type in here results and setting. We'll say print. Okay, I'll just copy it from my notes, then I'll explain. I'm crazy right now. Okay, so then we'll split let's say over here the weather in for we have a specific format we're looking for the city. Also print the wind speed in ml speed per second, and then print the description, and then print the weather in the format. You'll see when it's all printed how it looks. So let me just leave a note here. Function will print the weather. Alright, so then we'll create a main function. Main. Oh, that's a function one, sorry. That's a function, okay. Yes, it's main. Okay, from main, we can call city equals we need to put that as an input. So input, we can say enter your city. Let's put it like that. Leave the space so that it look combined. And then we can print leave it empty for now. And then result try. We can do a try and accept here. Then from query, equals true equal because it's query plus city. Plus city. So get the query and also add the city. and we could add another 10. So the weather data, so we call it WT data, and space it out. And then from weather data, get query. And query will be query plus city. Then we got print weather. So print weather from this function. We got put like that. And then we got say the from W data underscore city. And then we got just put print. So like we did over here. Then accept and print type in city name not found. If it's not really a city, and we'll get an accept like that. Oops. And then we're just gonna add a page seg if basic if name equal the underscores name underscores equal main, the function should print out. Okay, so let's go to the beginning with it. Let me just save it. Okay, we're importing request and from print import print. And just want to make sure I didn't lose my screen sharing. Then so we're gonna add the function for data from this link plus the query this link, and then return the result. Here we're gonna get a different result. So in weather, speed, description, and it will all come from the city they enter. In the main function, we're entering the city. If query equals city, so we go add the city, then we go to from the weather data, grab it query and query the city name, so it will replace it over here, and then print the weather or print so our code to print everything like that for the city, and that will be the first try. If it doesn't exist like a fixed city, then it will show accept. So let's run it. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing and I'll open it another way. So you guys can still see how it looks. Right, so let me just share again. Right, so this is the code we wrote. I just opened it into Python. We'll write it, and we can click run module. And let me just make sure you can see that one. So now you see the shell for Python. So it would say enter the city. So I will enter, I'll just enter Toronto, and you see it's not showing. I'll check why. I typed something wrong. I misspelled something. So here you go, enter the city. I entered Toronto, and Toronto's weather, the speed, the description, it's cloud, all caps of cloud, I think, and the weather cloud. And let me just show you before we close for today, a non-existing city. So I'm just going to type my name, and it should show no city found. That concludes this video about for weather. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.